Welcome to another Director's Cut video. Today is going to be the two Scots pipes and drums with the Royal Regiment of Scotland Military Band, and they are performing for the two Scots, the Royal Highland Fusiliers homecoming parade through Glasgow on March 16th of the year 2013. Now, I was working that day, so I had to ask my friend Peter Adams, to come into the town centre and do the video. So he missed a trick here. He should have been zooming in, I would say. But I don't want to miss out the music, which is the 79th Farewell to Gibraltar at this point in time. Two Scots P&D and Royal Regiment of Scotland Band are very good at that number. So you can see that it's still Pizza Hut on the corner at that point in time. A lot of people comment on that in my videos, because nowadays it's Yo Sushi, who obviously came along with more money to oust Pizza Hut. So this song is The Green Hills of Tyrol, or Scottish Soldier. Who's that Doug making that bloody racket? Pedro should have booted that right up the arse. So the bands are getting a lot nearer now, and Doug's obviously getting scared. Green Hills of Tyrol is of course one of those songs that YouTube's content ID system copyrights. Despite being an ancient tune that's been around for hundreds of years, some companies got the golden image to it. Loads of companies have actually got the golden image to it. It's just faff. Really annoying, I've got to say. And that's one of the reasons why I'm doing so much talking, because if I didn't, the sound would be copyrighted. So if photographers gone mad here, they will want that photograph. I've been at a number of homecoming parades, and what I say, this was one of the most impressive. Not that I was there, but from watching Peter's video, the amount of troops that are at this particular homecoming parade. So the Royal Regiment of Scotland Band have got their large grey overcoats on today. There's the drum major on the left from the two Scots, and on the right from the Royal Regiment of Scotland. So, as I say, a Scottish soldier. Oh, there's a little crook in there today. The mascot of the Royal Regiment of Scotland. That time he'd be a Lance Corporal only. He's since been promoted to be a Corporal, and that happened at the opening of the Nippy's bridge over the River Forth, which is the Queensferry crossing, sorry. So lots and lots of troops coming through now. Some obviously not of Scottish descent, but chosen to join our army. Good on them. There's the colour party. I love the way the police comes along and shifts this guy with the camera way down low, as though he's some kind of pervert trying to get some upskirt shots, uptight shots. Listen to those boots on the ground, tackety boots.
No! Right! No! Right! No! Right! No! Right! No! Right! No! Right! No!
Bye bye, pervert. Veterans bringing up the rear. Pedro's definitely a different style to me. He likes to stay in one place, whereas I like to move with the band. But the plus side of Pedro's style is that the actual soldiers are getting lots of recognition. Music background just now at the boat. Scotland Blue. Another one that can be called like in fact, it's the two Scots Scotland Military Band variant of Scotland Blue troops are actually I love it when you play King George Stewart. 2013 first American He went down George Stewart and now, get to better position, Peter. That's better, Peter. Hey Missy, don't just walk in front of me, I've got a video camera.
For a long coach, this is this one, yeah.
Walk in front of Peter. Clicking outside over at the left, eh? Bailing out. Has fallen out. Hello. Good swamp from this.
How's it got you, John?
Last one. Oh! Out!
Oh, there goes another director's cut. Well done, two Scots and all of them. So watching.
Right, where are we going? That way. That way. He's gone that way.